Today, I rebuild the Chargers, who are essentially a ticking time bomb. They actually did well, and I finished the rebuild in just 3 years. My first season I went 12-5 and I won my division. I figured since I was in the same division as the Chiefs, it would be hard. The next season we dominated, giving almost every team an ass-whooping. Our second season started off horribly. We were something along the lines of 0-3 to start the season. We finished 12-5 again and maybe clinched our division. As you know already, our last season we went 16-1, obviously winning our division and the chip as well. Now, without trying to bore you further, please enjoy the video. Thank you guys for watching, and please let me know what other teams you want me to rebuild.